This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Minute Podcast and the Business Minute Podcast. Here are 5 leading indicators that the economy is moving in the wrong direction. And here's five quick ones. First, Walmart issues guidance that consumer health is under fire and that sales are going to slow and growth is going to slow. Even though they had a great last quarter and a great last year, they've sent the message they think things are going to get softer and more challenging. Second, Home Depot sends the same message that the consumer health is moving in the wrong direction. Their stock went down 7% on the news. Home Depot, of course, has done fantastic the last couple of years as people invest in a lot of home projects, a lot of building, a lot of remodeling, and so forth and so on. The third issue is BlackRock signaling to overweight treasuries. We've not heard this from one of the largest money wealth management firms in the country, I think, in a very, very long time. They have almost $9 trillion assets under management, somewhere around there. They're the largest asset, manager in the country, probably the world, and essentially saying to overweight treasuries. We've not heard that news in a long time. Fourth, a report yesterday that commercial landlords are starting to struggle more so than they have in a long time, eroding occupancy rates and increased credit and interest costs. So really viewing it that way as that being another signal, a leading indicator that things are moving in the wrong direction. And finally, fifth, another report yesterday that consumer auto debt, that consumers are late on this in the most egregious fashion in 13, 14 years, since 2010 or so, which again, just another signal that consumers are finding themselves in a much tougher spot. These things are all challenging in part because consumers are such drivers of the U.S. economy. So when the consumers end up in trouble, we all end up in trouble is the point. In any event, those are 5 leading indicators that things are moving in the wrong direction. Let's hope that we're wrong. Let's hope they move in the right direction. We'll see how it goes. But as long as interest rates keep on going up, it's hard to see it. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast, the Becker Business Minute Podcast, and thank you again to Executive Podcast Solutions. Thank you very, very much.